Ever wondered what real work truly means? Physics defines work as force multiplied by displacement. The formula W equals F times d times cosine theta. Here, force pushes object through a distance in same direction. Everyday work often confuses people with energy transfers. In physics, we measure work in joules to track energy. Imagine lifting a heavy box 5 meters up. Remember, only force component along displacement does work. Angle between force and movement can reduce work done. Work calculations clarify how energy moves in experiments. Power describes how quickly work happens over a time span. The equation P equals W divided by T shows rate. Its unit, the watt, equals 1 joule per second. Climbing stairs faster demands more power from your muscles. Calculating power helps engineers design efficient machines and engines. Recognizing power's role resolves confusion about energy transfers. Heavy machinery illustrates power demands in real life. Power tools require high wattage ratings for heavy tasks. Appliance power ratings accurately reflect actual usage patterns. Energy appears in motion as kinetic energy or stored potential. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared in formula. A 2 kilogram object at 3 meters per second holds 9 joules. Potential energy equals mass times gravity times height. Lifting 5 kilos 2 meters stores about 98 joules. Dropping the weight shows energy transforming obeying conservation laws. Watching roller coasters shows energy shifting between potential and kinetic. The law guarantees total energy conservation in closed systems. Energy units unify diverse physics concepts into coherent theory. Work, power, energy. One story of endless transformation.